Hey kids! Welcome to our fun art and craft adventure. Today, we'll create something amazing together. We'll learn how to make a beautiful paper butterfly. It's going to be so much fun, and you'll get to use your creativity. By the end, you'll have a fantastic craft project to show off to your family and friends. So, gather your supplies, and let's get started on this exciting journey. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Hey kids, get ready to meet our craft buddies, Alex and Mia. They are super excited about crafting and want to share a special project with you today. Alex loves creating with paper and glue, while Mia enjoys adding her own creative flair to every project. Together, they make a perfect team. Today, they have a fun challenge for us, a craft we can all do together. Let's dive into their world of creativity and learn something new. Before we get started, let's get to know them a little better and see what fun activities they have planned. So, gather around, because Alex and Mia's goal is to help us make the best crafts ever. Alex and Mia have a craft challenge for us. They want to create a beautiful paper butterfly and need our help. Imagine bringing this vibrant butterfly to life with just some paper and a bit of creativity. It's more than just making a craft, it's about sharpening our skills and having lots of fun along the way. Let's see if we can make the most stunning paper butterfly together. Every step counts and your creativity makes it special. So, grab your crafting supplies and let's get started on this wonderful adventure. First, we need to gather our materials. We'll need colored paper, scissors, glue, and markers. Don't worry if you don't have everything right away, you can find most of these items around your home or visit a local craft store. Now is the perfect time to check if you have everything you need. Gathering materials is a fun way to start any craft adventure. So, make it a game. How fast can you collect all the supplies? Ready, set, go. Once you've got everything, we'll be ready to dive into our craft project. Alright kids, it's time to dive into the fun part, creating our beautiful butterfly, step by step. First, let's start by cutting our paper into the shape of butterfly wings. You can draw the outline first and then carefully cut along the lines. Make sure to ask an adult for help if you need it. Next, we move on to folding the paper. This will give our butterfly a cool 3D effect. Fold each wing down the middle, and then fold the outer edges upwards to make the wings appear as though they're fluttering. Now, let's glue the pieces together. Take the body piece of your butterfly and gently attach the wings to the sides. Make sure the wings are positioned symmetrically so our butterfly looks balanced and beautiful. Finally, the most exciting part, decorating. Use your markers to add colorful patterns and designs to your butterfly. You can make it as unique as you like. Add dots, stripes, or even your name. Great job everyone! We've cut, folded, glued, and decorated our way to a marvelous butterfly. Stay tuned as we show you how to overcome any small challenges that might come up during crafting. Hey there, crafters! Sometimes, things might not go as smoothly as we planned. Maybe the paper doesn't fold perfectly, or the glue doesn't stick right away. But don't worry, these little bumps in the road are all part of the adventure. If your paper isn't folding just right, take a deep breath and try again. Remember, nobody gets it perfect on the first try, and guess what? That's totally okay. Each attempt makes you better and better. When you face a tough spot, think of Alex and Mia, they never give up. Keep going, your masterpiece awaits. Now, let's add some final touches to our butterfly. You can use markers to add patterns and make it unique. Feel free to draw spots, stripes, or any design that comes to mind. Remember, your creativity shines here, so there are no limits. Take your time and make your butterfly truly one of a kind. And there you have it, our beautiful, personalized butterfly. Great job, everyone! Your butterfly looks amazing. Stay tuned as Alex and Mia celebrate their finished creation and share their joy with you. Wow, look at our beautiful butterflies. We did an amazing job. Now, it's your turn to show off your creation. We'd love to see what you've made, so ask a grown-up to share a picture of your craft with us. Celebrate your achievement by showing your family and friends. Remember, every butterfly is unique, just like you. This has been such a fun adventure, and we are so proud of all the hard work you've put into this project. Great job, little artists. As we move ahead, let's quickly recap what we did and highlight some key learning points. Let's quickly recap what we did today. First, we gathered all our materials, colorful paper, scissors, glue, and markers. Then, we followed step-by-step instructions to cut, fold, and glue the pieces together. Finally, we added our unique decorations to create a beautiful paper butterfly. Remember, each step is an important part of the process, and practice makes perfect. So, keep trying, and don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas and materials. With each project, you'll get better and more creative. Keep crafting and having fun. Thank you for crafting with us today. We hope you had fun. Remember, every craft is a new adventure waiting to be explored. Don't forget to try more crafts and share your creations with us. We love seeing what you make. And always remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting and fun videos. Keep crafting, stay creative, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, happy crafting! Bye!